In this video, I'm going to teach you how to download Netflix on your PC. If you're using Windows on your PCs, you can easily download the app of Netflix, which is the desktop version, from the Microsoft Store. For that, all you do is click on the search bar on the bottom and search for Microsoft Store. Once you do, the option of Microsoft Store will open up on the top. You can click on this option and the Microsoft Store will open up. From the Microsoft Store, all you do is click on the search bar on the top and then search for Netflix. Click on the Netflix application and then click on Get. Now the app of Netflix will start to download on your PC. The download duration will of course depend upon the speed of your internet. Once the download is complete, click on Open and the Netflix app will start up. Now you can just click on the sign in button on the top right and then sign in to your Netflix account. That was a real quick and easy video. I hope you guys liked and found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe and also leave this video a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.